To access SharePoint from Outlook, follow these steps. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your desktop or open Outlook on the web by going to outlook.com and signing in. Navigate to the email with SharePoint link. If you receive the SharePoint link or notification in an email, locate that email in your inbox or other folders. Click the SharePoint link. Open the email and click on the SharePoint link provided. This link will direct you to the specific SharePoint site or document library referenced in the email. Open SharePoint from the Office app. If you don't have a specific link, you can use the Office app integration. In Outlook, click on the Files tab in the Email Compose window or on the right panel. Then select SharePoint to view SharePoint files and sites associated with your account. Access SharePoint via Teams. For further integration, if your SharePoint site is linked to Microsoft Teams, you can access it directly from the Teams app by navigating to the relevant team and channel where SharePoint documents are shared. Use the SharePoint app. Alternatively, you can open SharePoint directly through the Office 365 app launcher by clicking on SharePoint, as described previously.